Hello guys, welcome back our BizForTech Academy YouTube channel.
Today we discuss Windows PowerToys tricks. Let's go! Click on Color Picker. Now enable the Color Picker. You can see activation shortkey like is Windows Shift-C. If you need, you can change the shortkey. And here activation behavior option. Next you can see long color format list such as including Rex, RGB, CMYK, HSB. Now let's see how to apply a use it. Here we go. We can clearly see that it shows color preview and color values. Its color change depending on where we take cursor with their coatings. Then next through this dialog box we can see what are the chosen color. It presents color history, and here you can clearly see how it works whole Windows. Use it for UI design, document creation, web development, or any project where color precision is key. The color picker stores a history of recently selected colors, so you don't have to go searching for it again. Finally, you can see here what your chosen color value when you can apply to clipboard. Subscribe and hit the bell button of our BizForTech YouTube channel to see more videos like this.